Welcome. Today, we're diving into the art of analyzing problems effectively. Whether you're facing challenges at work, in your studies, or in daily life, having a structured approach to problem analysis can make all the difference. We'll explore proven techniques, practical steps, and real-world examples to help you break down complex issues into manageable parts. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of strategies to tackle problems with confidence and clarity. Let's get started by understanding why effective problem analysis is such a valuable skill in every aspect of life. Effective problem analysis is the foundation of smart decision-making. When you analyze problems thoroughly, you avoid jumping to conclusions and ensure that your solutions address the real issues. This skill is crucial in business, education, and personal growth. It helps you save time, resources, and energy by preventing repeated mistakes. In this scene, we'll look at how strong problem analysis leads to better outcomes and why it's a skill worth developing for anyone who wants to achieve more with less frustration. First step in effective problem analysis is defining the problem as clearly as possible. Vague or poorly defined problems are hard to solve. Take time to write down exactly what the issue is, who it affects, and why it matters. Ask yourself, what is happening, where and when does it occur, who is involved? By clarifying these details, you set the stage for a focused and productive analysis. Remember, a well-defined problem is already halfway to being solved. Once you've defined the problem, it's time to gather all relevant information. This means collecting facts, data, and opinions from various sources. Don't rely on assumptions, seek out evidence that helps you understand the problem's context. Talk to people involved, review documents, and look for patterns or trends. The more information you have, the better equipped you'll be to analyze the problem accurately and avoid missing important details. Common mistake is treating symptoms instead of root causes. To solve problems effectively, dig deeper to identify what's really causing the issue. Use tools like the 5 whys technique, keep asking why until you reach the underlying cause. This approach prevents you from wasting time on surface-level fixes and helps you develop solutions that address the core of the problem. Complex problems can feel overwhelming, but breaking them down into smaller, manageable parts makes them easier to tackle. Start by dividing the problem into subproblems or components. Address each part individually and look for connections between them. This method not only simplifies your analysis but also reveals hidden relationships that might be key to finding effective solutions. There are many analytical tools that can help you structure your problem analysis. Tools like flowcharts, mind maps, and cause-and-effect diagrams make it easier to visualize complex issues. Choose the tool that best fits your problem and use it to organize information, identify patterns, and spot gaps in your understanding. These tools can turn a confusing situation into a clear, actionable plan. Effective problem analysis often requires input from others. Involve people who are affected by the problem or who have relevant expertise. Group discussions and brainstorming sessions can generate new perspectives and ideas you might not have considered on your own. Collaboration not only enriches your analysis but also builds support for the solutions you develop. In analyzing problems, it's easy to fall into traps like confirmation bias or jumping to conclusions. Stay objective by questioning your assumptions and considering alternative explanations. Be aware of your own biases and seek feedback from others to challenge your thinking. This helps you avoid mistakes and ensures your analysis is as accurate as possible. Before you start looking for solutions, set clear objectives for what you want to achieve. Define what a successful outcome looks like and how you'll measure progress. Clear objectives keep your analysis focused and help you evaluate potential solutions more effectively. They also make it easier to communicate your goals to others involved in the process. With a clear understanding of the problem and your objectives, it's time to brainstorm possible solutions. Encourage creative thinking and don't dismiss ideas too quickly. List as many options as you can, even if some seem unconventional. The goal is to explore a wide range of possibilities before narrowing down your choices. After generating a list of possible solutions, evaluate each one carefully. Consider the pros and cons, potential risks, and the resources required. Use criteria like feasibility, impact, and alignment with your objectives to compare alternatives. This systematic approach helps you choose the most effective solution for your specific problem. Once you've evaluated your options, it's time to make a decision. Choose the solution that best addresses the root cause of the problem and meets your objectives. Be decisive, but also remain flexible in case new information emerges. Remember, a well-analyzed decision is more likely to succeed and gain support from others. Great solution is only effective if it's implemented well. Develop a clear action plan that outlines the steps, resources, and timeline needed to put your solution into practice. Assign responsibilities and set milestones to track progress. Good planning turns analysis into real-world results. After implementation begins, monitor progress closely. Regularly check if the solution is working as intended and if you're moving toward your objectives. Use feedback and data to make adjustments as needed. Monitoring ensures that problems are truly resolved and helps you learn for future challenges. Every problem-solving process is an opportunity to learn. After the solution has been implemented, review the outcomes. What worked well? What could have been done differently? Document your findings and share them with your team. This reflection helps you improve your problem analysis skills over time. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a team struggling with missed project deadlines. By defining the problem, gathering data, and involving team members, they discovered the root cause was unclear communication. Using analytical tools and setting clear objectives, they developed a new workflow that improved efficiency. This case shows how structured problem analysis leads to practical solutions. Consider a personal example, choosing a new career path. By breaking down the decision into smaller questions such as interests, skills, and job market trends, you can analyze each factor separately. Gathering information and evaluating alternatives helps you make a confident, informed choice that aligns with your goals. Critical thinking is at the heart of effective problem analysis. It means questioning assumptions, evaluating evidence, and thinking logically. By applying critical thinking, you avoid common errors and develop solutions that are both creative and practical. This mindset is essential for anyone who wants to solve problems effectively. While logic is crucial, intuition also plays a role in problem analysis. Sometimes your gut feeling can point you toward solutions that data alone might miss. The key is to balance intuition with evidence-based reasoning. Use your instincts to generate ideas, then test them with analysis before making decisions. Not every problem has a clear or perfect solution. Sometimes you have to make decisions with incomplete information. In these cases, focus on reducing uncertainty as much as possible by gathering more data and considering different scenarios. Be prepared to adapt your approach as new information becomes available. Emotions can influence how we analyze problems. Stress, frustration, or excitement may cloud judgment. It's important to recognize your emotions and manage them effectively. Take breaks, talk to others, or use relaxation techniques to stay focused and objective during problem analysis. Looking at a problem from different perspectives can reveal solutions you might otherwise miss. Try to see the issue through the eyes of others, customers, colleagues, or stakeholders. This broadens your understanding and helps you develop more effective, inclusive solutions. Data is a powerful tool in problem analysis. Use quantitative and qualitative data to support your findings and decisions. Make sure your data is accurate, relevant, and up-to-date. Visualizing data with charts or graphs can help you spot trends and communicate your analysis more clearly. Before fully implementing a solution, test it on a small scale if possible. Pilot programs or prototypes allow you to see how your solution works in practice and identify any issues early. Testing reduces risk and increases the chances of success when you roll out the solution more broadly. Feedback is essential for effective problem analysis. Listen to input from others and be willing to adjust your approach based on what you learn. Continuous improvement ensures that your solutions remain effective over time and that you keep growing as a problem solver. Keep a record of your problem analysis process. Documenting your steps, findings, and decisions helps you track progress and provides a valuable reference for future challenges. It also makes it easier to share your approach with others and build a culture of effective problem solving. Like any skill, effective problem analysis improves with practice. Challenge yourself with new problems, seek feedback, and learn from each experience. Over time, you'll become more confident and efficient in breaking down complex issues and finding smart solutions. Organizations that value problem analysis create environments where people feel empowered to tackle challenges. Encourage open communication, support experimentation, and celebrate creative solutions. A strong problem-solving culture leads to innovation and long-term success. Sometimes, analyzing a problem too much can lead to analysis paralysis, getting stuck in endless details without making a decision. Set clear deadlines for your analysis and be willing to act when you have enough information. Remember, no solution is perfect, but action moves you forward. When working in teams, conflicting opinions are common. Use structured analysis to evaluate each viewpoint objectively. Encourage respectful discussion and focus on evidence rather than personal preferences. This approach leads to better decisions and stronger team relationships. Effective problem analysis requires good time management. Allocate enough time to understand the problem but avoid getting bogged down in details. Prioritize tasks, set milestones, and keep your analysis moving forward. This balance ensures thoroughness without unnecessary delays. Technology offers powerful tools for problem analysis. Use software for data analysis, project management, and collaboration. Digital tools can help you organize information, visualize problems, and communicate findings more effectively. Embrace technology to enhance your problem-solving process. Sometimes, your initial analysis or solution may need to change as new information emerges. Stay open-minded and be willing to revisit your assumptions. Flexibility is key to effective problem analysis, especially in fast-changing environments. When your analysis leads to a successful solution, take time to celebrate. Recognize the effort and teamwork involved. Celebrating successes not only boosts morale but also reinforces the value of effective problem analysis for future challenges. Not every solution will work out as planned. When things go wrong, use the experience as a learning opportunity. Analyze what happened, identify lessons, and apply them to future problems. Embracing failure as part of the process helps you grow as a problem solver. Effective problem analysis builds resilience. The more you practice breaking down and solving problems, the more confident and adaptable you become. Resilience helps you handle setbacks and keep moving forward no matter how challenging the situation. Curiosity drives effective problem analysis. Ask questions, explore new ideas, and seek to understand the why behind every issue. A curious mindset leads to deeper insights and more innovative solutions. A growth mindset is essential for effective problem analysis. Believe that your skills can improve with effort and learning, embrace challenges as opportunities to grow, and view setbacks as valuable feedback. This attitude fuels continuous improvement in your problem-solving abilities. Mentors can offer valuable guidance in problem analysis. Seek out experienced individuals who can share their insights and help you avoid common mistakes. Learning from others accelerates your growth and broadens your perspective. Problem analysis isn't just for business or academics, it's a universal skill. Whether you're planning a trip, managing finances, or resolving conflicts, the same principles apply. Practice analyzing problems in different areas of your life to strengthen your skills and become a more effective problem solver. Problem analysis can be challenging, especially when solutions aren't obvious. Stay motivated by focusing on your progress and celebrating small wins. Remember, every problem you analyze and solve builds your confidence and expertise. Let's review the key steps for analyzing problems effectively. Define the problem, gather information, identify root causes, generate solutions, evaluate alternatives, make a decision, plan implementation, and monitor progress. Mastering these steps will help you tackle any challenge with clarity and confidence. Effective problem analysis is a skill that benefits every area of life. By following a structured approach, staying curious, and learning from each experience, you can become a confident and capable problem solver. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Keep practicing and you'll see the results in your personal and professional life. Now that you've learned the essentials of analyzing problems effectively, put these strategies into practice. Start with a small challenge and apply the steps you've learned. With time and experience, you'll find yourself solving problems more efficiently and with greater confidence. Thanks for watching and happy problem solving.